say here we have a problem here. Like I said before, towing the car, we still haven't towed the car because of the problem. Since the compressor put a big scratch in the walls of the cylinder, I mean the cylinder walls, the piston put a big scratch. So there are chances that the piston, the metal scraps could have gone inside. You know, like inside the evaporator, the cooling coil, which is exactly the evaporator, maybe even the condenser, I don't know. So today we are going to take the condenser, evaporator and all these stuffs, everything related to cooling of the car and heating of the car. So even the heat exchange if possible, I know. So we need to take each and every single thing out of the car for the cooling stuff. So that means including every single line from here. So today's job is getting that all removed. So let's get into the work. Got the bumper off. If you can see that I kept it in the cushion right over there so it doesn't scratch up. I know it's like an angle, but don't worry about it. So got the bumper off. If you can see, like, let's come back. Yeah, there is no more bumper. So now what we are going to do is get all the condenser. I'm going to get the complete condenser out. Already the freon is always discharged because there is no freon actually. So we are going to remove the compressor. There are two lines basically, one the high pressure and low pressure line. This is the high pressure one, that's the low pressure one, that's the bottom one. So we're going to get both of those lines and they travel back here. They go from here and I think you guys can see right over there. Yeah, right over there, guys. So it's over there. So you're going to get all those steps out. So let's remove the condenser first. The condenser in the front, you can see right over here the condenser is there. I don't know what to do, or maybe I'm going to take that to the AC mechanic and ask them if they can fix it, like pressure test it, because if there is any metal scraps inside this, over time cooling will be there, but the thing is it will lose its efficiency, it will become hot and the channels will get clogged. That's why. So I'll ask them what to do. If I need to get a new compressor, not a problem, I'll get for my car. So condenser is removed. Need to remove this line. I have already removed the main line over there. That's the one which gets attached to the compressor where the power goes to. Why is it shaking badly like this? Okay, so need to remove all the line. It goes here, down, yeah, down there, there, channelizes over there, goes over there and over there. So I'm gonna remove every single line from here to there. Need to remove all these bolts, a lot of stuff to do. So let's get working. So took my car to see Cool AC Car Works in Coimbatore, so one of the best, and they did try their best to get out any scraps from the condenser, but this is the thing, this is the result. The petrol itself got corroded, like that's how bad it was, the old compressor putting a big scratch. So got a new compressor to replace the old compressor with, and a new condenser too. So replace the condenser, compressor lines, all the stuff. So it's all new but still makes a bit of noise, so need to diagnose that one alone. But rather than that, it's perfectly fine, guys. Got my car completely ready. In the shop it was there for like a day, and the next day itself I got my car. எல்லாம் இருக்காது.
நல்லா இருக்கு ஒன்றும் பிரச்சனை இல்லை. ஸ்லோ ஸ்பீடில் ரொம்ப நேரம் ஓட விடாதீங்க, கொஞ்ச நாளைக்கு அவர் கணக்கு.
ஸ்லோ ஸ்பீட்னா எப்படி?
எங்கயாவது பார்க்கிங்ல நிப்பாட்டி அவர் கணக்கா போட்டு.
ஓ, சும்மா அப்படியே 5
நிமிஷம் 10 நிமிஷம் நோ ப்ராப்ளம்.
நாங்க 5 வருஷமே 20,000 கிலோமீட்டர் தான் ஓட்டிருக்கோம்.
அப்படிங்களா? ஒன்றும் பிரச்சனை இல்லை.
எடுக்கவே மாட்டேன்.
நல்லா இருக்கு அருமையா இருக்கு. 4 4